Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a electric truck. This one is a Chevy Silverado EV RST. This is a new casting for 2024 if I'm not wrong, and it's from the main line. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So the very first thing you will notice is the black paint. You normally don't see a lot of trucks actually in black from Hotwheels, and also the tinted windows, again something different. Apart from that, these wheels, I don't think I've seen these wheels before on any other Hot Wheels. I might be wrong. The design I have like this, but not the exact size wheels. I think I've seen the smaller ones with slightly different design. So let's move the front and talk how does it look. So up front, again, you've got some nice details. You got the headlamp, you got the LED bar going through. You also got the fog lamp. You got the RST badge. You can see the Chevy logo, grill, door grill, bumper, everything. I think because it's black, some of the details are not coming out that good. But I'm pretty sure it will come in a different color, and then the details will pop out much better. You can also see their wipers, glass roof, so you can see the interior slightly. I'm glad Hot Wheels did the mirrors on both the sides. Okay, good details. So now let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, again, good details. You've got the Silverado badge here. You've got this cladding going all over. Also got the step here. If you see, door handles are there, but they are not obviously detailed. You also can see the B and C pillar. I'm surprised with the amount of details on this one, because if you go to the back, you can see the detailed tail lamps. Obviously it misses on the badge, but you can detail it. You also got the multi-function tailgate of Chevy. You got the step here, side step, if you can see, because it's electric, so no exhaust tips obviously. Something really different about this Silverado, the actual Silverado, is that you can drop the glass and fold the back seats, so you actually have a pass-through cabin, which is shown here. If you see, they have put a surfboard, and you can see it's all open from the back. Yes, unlike traditional trucks where you can't extend the bed, at least not in the cabin, here you can. I think Hot Wheels has captured details nicely, and for a mainline, it's really good looking truck. Yeah, that's what I think. And I think both Hot Wheels and Matchbox are doing good this year. They brought some really nice casting. We'll see some more from Hot Wheels and Matchbox in coming days, and I think you will like this. Well, these are my thoughts about the casting. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.